Hello students, this is a Maths Worksheet 33, chapter number 6, Factors and Multiples, and the subtopic is Divisibility Rules. Now students, here we will learn some rules related to divisibility of numbers. And students, this worksheet will not be submitted on the Excel. Now we start divisibility rules. If a number is not prime, then it would be divisible by a number smaller than itself. We can find out by actual division whether a number is divisible by another number or not. Now here we apply some divisibility rules on the different numbers and find out this number divisible by the another number or not. Divisibility rule of 2. A number is divisible by 2 if its unit digit is divisible by 2. Students, if a number having unit digit 0, 2 and other even numbers, so the number divisible by 2. For example, the numbers 120 and 3172 are divisible by 2 because in 120 the unit digit is 0 and this number divisible by 2. The second number 3172, the unit digit is 2 and 2 is divisible by 2. So these both numbers divisible by 2. While numbers like 13 and 287 are not divisible by 2 because 13 having unit digit 3 here and 3 is not divisible by 2, so the number is not divisible by 2. And 287 unit digit is 7 here and 7 is not divisible by 2, so the number 287 is not divisible by 2. Students, we also find out the other numbers are divisible by 2 or not when we apply this divisibility rule. We will solve some more example related to divisibility rule of 5. Like example number 1, 168. 168, the last digit here, unit digit is 8 and 8 is divisible by 2. 2 4s are 8. So this number divisible by 2. So we say yes, this number divisible by 2. 168 divisible by 2. Next, example number 2, 748. In this number, the unit digit is 8 here and 8 is divisible by 2. 2 4s are 8. So this number 748 is divisible by 2. So we say yes, this number divisible by 2. Example number 3, 275. In this number, the digit in unit place is 5 and 5 is not divisible by 2. So the number 275 is not divisible by 2. Example number 4, 1035. In this number, the unit digit is 5 here and 5 is not divisible by 2. So this number 1035 is not divisible by 2. So we say no, this number is not divisible by 2. Example number 5, 5500. In this number, the unit digit is 0 here and divisibility rule of 2 say that if the number having the last digit is 0 or divisible by 2, so the number is divisible by 2. So this number divisible by 2, we say yes, this number 5500 is divisible by 2. Divisibility of 3. A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of its digits is divisible by 3. For example, the number 384 is divisible by 3 and the sum of its digits 3 plus 8 plus 4 is 15. 3 plus 8 11 and plus 4 15, which is divisible by 3 because 15 divided by 3. 3 5s are 15. So the number 384 is divisible by 3. Now some more example related to divisibility rule of 3. Example number 1, 168. Divisibility rule of 3 say that first we add the all digit of the number, and if the sum of digit is divisible by 3, so the number is divisible by 3. 168. So first we add all the digit of this number. The sum of all digit is 1 plus 6 7 and 7 plus 8 15, and 15 is divisible by 3. 3 5s are 15. So we say yes, this number 168 is divisible by 3. Example number 2, 748. First we add all three digit here, 7 plus 4 plus 8, and the sum of these all digits 7 plus 4 11 and 11 plus 8 19, and 19 is not divisible by 3, so we say no, the 748 is not divisible by 3. Example number 3, 275. First we add all three digits, 2 plus 7 plus 5, and the sum of all three digits 2 plus 7 9 and 9 plus 5 14, and 14 is not divisible by 3, so we say that no, the number 275 is not divisible by 3. Example number 4, 1035. First we add all four digits, 1 plus 0 plus 3 plus 5, and the sum of digits 1 plus 3 4 and plus 5 9, and 9 is divisible by 3, so we say yes, this number 1035 is divisible by 3. Next example number 5. First we add all four digits, 5 plus 5 plus 0 plus 0. The sum of all four digits is 5 plus 5 10, and 10 is not divisible by 3, so we say that no, this number 5500 is not divisible by 3. Divisibility by 4. A number is divisible by 4 if the number formed by its digits in tens and unit places is divisible by 4. For example, in the number 80,372, the number 72 formed by the tens and the unit digit are divisible by 4. As you check, this number is divisible by 4. In this number 80,372, the last two digits is 72, and when we divide this number by 4, it's divisible by 4. So the whole number 80,372 is divisible by 4. Now here we solve more examples related to divisibility rule of 4. The divisibility rule of 4 say that if the last two digits, ones and tens place digit, are divisible by 4, so the whole number divisible by 4. The first example, example number 1, 168. So in this number The digit in ones place is 8 and digit and 68 is divisible by 4. So the number, we say that yes, the number 168 is divisible by 4. Example number 2. 748. In this number, the digit in unit place is 8 and digit in tens place is 4, and we get number 48. And 48 is divisible by 4. 4 ones are 4 and 4 twos are 8. So we say that yes, the number 748 is divisible by 4. The next number, example number 3, 275. In this number, the digit in unit place is 5 and in 10 place is 7. So we get number 75. And 75 is not divisible by 4. So we say that no, the number 275 is not divisible by 4. Example number 5, 5500. This number having tens unit and tens place 0. So this number is also divisible by 4. Divisibility by 5. A number is divisible by 5 if its unit digit is 0 or 5. For example, the numbers like 205 and 3070. Both numbers unit digits are divisible by 5 because these both numbers having unit digit 5 and 0. 205 having unit digit 5 and 3070 having unit digit 0. So the both numbers are divisible by 5. Now students, here we solve more example related to divisibility rule of 5. Example number 1. So first we revise the rule of 5, divisibility rule of 5. Divisibility rule of 5 say that if the number having unit digit 0 or 5, so the number is divisible by 5. Example number 1, 168. Here the unit digit is 8, which is not divisible by 5. So the number is not divisible by 5. Example number 2, 748. In this number, unit digit is 8 here, and 8 is not divisible by 5. So we say that no, the number 748 is not divisible by 5. Example number 3, 275. In this number, unit digit is 5 here, and 5 is divisible by 5. So the number, we say that yes, the number 275 is divisible by 5. Example number 4, 1035. In this number, the digit in unit place is 5 here, and we say that 5 is divisible by 5, and we say that yes, the number 1035 is divisible by 5. Example number 5, 5500. Here the digit in unit place is 0, and we all know that if the number having 0 or 5 in unit place is divisible by 5, so the number, we say that yes, the number 5500 is divisible by 5. In this exercise, I give some questions related to our discussion and related to divisibility rules. So you will do all these questions in your homework. Thank you, students.